Okay, so we have our right triangle. Now we need to count the boxes. So from here to here, I have 1, 2, 3. And left to right, I go 1, 2, 3, 4. My line is a negative slope, so this is going to be a negative 3/4. That's going to be a negative 3/4. Okay? So again, I'm going to keep that zoomed in like that just so you can see what I'm talking about when we speak about these corners of boxes. So if I start in the bottom, does this spot right here touch a corner? Sorry, this spot right here. No. Does that? No. Does that? No. As I go up my line where it crosses through 1 on the vertical, on the x-axis, and -3 on the y-axis, that's a dot. As I go up, the next time it touches, it's not a corner. The next time is not a corner. The next time is not a corner. Oop, but there's one right there. On the y-axis at 1, it touches. And not the next time, not the next time, not the next time. Oh, but it touches at the point 1, 5. So again, there are 3 points on this graph. I'm going to pick my left point again, just because it makes my life easier. So I'm going to start at my left point, and this time I'm going to go up like my graph goes up. I'll go from the top point this time, and I'm still going left because I want to touch that line. Okay? Now I have my right triangle, and I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up and down. 1, 2. 2 left to right. Now again, we need to reduce the fraction. So what can I divide both 2 and 8 by? 2. So if I divide both by 2, that gives me 4/1, or again, I could write that as 4. And that is a positive slope, so I'm going to keep that a positive 4. Okay? Last one dealing with this. So, here's my graph. I'm going to start on the far left. This time it starts at the top and goes down. Where it touches the edge of the box, of the graph, it's not going through corners. But if I go down, it does there. If I go down, it does there, it does there, it does there. Dang, that's a heck of a lot of points. Okay? So again, it doesn't matter which one. I'm going to pick the far left point and go down because my graph goes down. Again, staying on that straight up and down line. And then I'm going to pick the one that goes through the y-axis and go left. Then I have my right triangle. And I have 1, 2, up and down. Over, 1, 2, left to right. What can I divide both 2 and 2 by? 2. So I'm going to divide by 2/2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So I have 1/1 or 1. And what kind of graph is that? A negative. So my final answer should be a -1. My final answer should be a -1. So now I want you to try to do some of these next ones on your own.